Welcome to the Global Affairs Academy. Let's have an overview and analytical review of drone attack by Yemen on Israel. Yemen has pulled off a jaw-dropping strike that left Israel reeling. A single drone, undetectable by all of Israel's top defense systems, Iron Dome, THAAD, David Sling, hit a major hotel, causing major destruction. Locals captured chaos on their phones. Sirens blared, helicopters scrambled. Yet the drone bypassed everything and hit its target directly. Hospitals are overwhelmed. Casualties unclear, but the damage is catastrophic. This is no ordinary drone. Either Israel's defense systems were jammed completely, or Yemen is deploying a new technology that penetrates the most advanced military shield. Imagine a single drone crossing border, dodging all radar and interception, and striking a major urban hub. Tourism has halted, locals evacuated, hotels in panic. Analysts are stunned. If one drone can cause such havoc, what happens with dozens? The implications are huge. Yemen is signaling it can now target key areas in Israel with precision. Conventional interception seems effective. This mirrors scenarios seen in other conflicts like Ukraine or Afghanistan, where drone swarms are devastating, but here one drone alone did unprecedented damage. The question now, who supplied this technology? Iran is likely candidate, but confirmation is murky. If so, shift in regional power dynamics. Globally, leaders are watching anxiously. Calls for de-escalation abound, but Israel faces its most vulnerable moment yet. The drone strikes exposes weaknesses in supposed invincible defense system. The lesson is clear, and air defenses alone cannot guarantee security when precision drone can bypass and strike high value targets. One thing is certain, this strike is a game changer. The drone attack has rewritten the rules of engagement in the region, and Israel must rethink its defense strategy urgently. The scale, precision and audacity of this attack mark a turning point in modern warfare.